shoot, that's a big dog. The reason I put this second bag in is because I don't have a wedge, so I don't want to scuff up any of the paint trying to just shove these the bag in the top here, because a lot of you don't know because you don't actually do this, but this is plastic. It's really hard to scuff this up because it's plastic. This is paint. The more you know. So yes, I only do need one bag, but I like to use two. Because like I told you guys, I don't like the damaged doors.